Oh, I'm gonna die. That was hard. What do you smell? Alright, today I want to go explore some old spots from back in the day. I got some washes, some wall rides. I found something interesting I want to show you. And there's a jump I want to hit. So let's go. Let's hit the road. You can see I've been working on the house. Okay, here we go. Holy shit, it's so overgrown, but should still be able to have some fun on this. Oh yeah, so you just gotta watch out for the end here on this, because it's pretty gnarly. So you have a drop right there, that's nothing. Dude, they really need to cut these trees back and shit, because I should just cut it back. Look at this gap. You hit this banked wall, and then you launch from there into that banked wall. That's a spot. Alright, looks like I gotta... This is close to my house, so I can just ride out here with some clippers and take care of it. This was like one of the first places I practiced jumping this bike. It really, it's not a good spot for it. Oh, it's so overgrown. I think you can hit it from this direction and kind of really send it. No, there's nothing to this bank. If I had the ramp with me, that would be a different story. As you could like put the ramp on that bank and then just air the shit out of it. Land all the way in the freaking bottom. That's fun. So I think we just follow this straight up. There we go. Yeah. So we put some concrete down? Or I think that was there. I don't remember. Yeah, I need to bring the ramp over here. I could have some fun. It's gapping into some banks. I wonder if I can step up from this lower bank into that upper bank. It smells like someone's barbecuing this early. What the hell? Easy. Wow. I'm bouncing all over the place. Oh, there are a lot of dicks down here. What the heck? Wow, suck my dick, there's a dick. Jeez, man. There's too many penises for me this morning. I've never seen anyone sculpt their yard like this. Look at this. This is actually incredible. What a rock garden. Oh my gosh. That, I had to film that. That is just too wild. It's one thing to put some gravel down in your yard. It's another thing to do this. This guy's probably so strong. What a car. Oh man. So cool. Okay, so this is another one of those washes that we used to ride a lot back in the day. And if this is the one I'm thinking of, you can actually see the transition through here is really nice. It's just overgrown and nobody rides it anymore. But as you go up this curve, there should be a curved wall ride. I'm gonna see if I can get to it. Just push through, baby. Whoa. So much sand down here. Shit. You know, this must not be the one. There's so much sand down here that's not even rideable, so I'm not gonna waste my time over here. Ooh, soccer ball. I think there's just a street over there. Oh, just, well, from one bush to another. Okay, so this wash is feeling more familiar. I knew there were two, parallel each other, but for some reason it seems like the city, maybe to deter people from riding washes and stuff, suing the city and stuff, that they actually just let these fill up with sand. But I don't know, maybe I was just lucky in my youth and they just kept them clean. But yeah, I think we go up to the right here, and the tranny's really nice throughout this whole wash. They don't make them like this anymore. Yeah, somebody actually put some tranny here. It looks like they tried to make this into a hip, but that is good for a BMX bike, but that would probably be the last thing I do today if I try to hit that. Here it is. This is it. So you can wall ride that. It's a little short, I think. But yeah, this was the one. It's actually still... Actually, no, it's not. It looks like people just throw their debris down here from their backyard. And the sand fills up and things start to grow down here, and it's not ideal. But yeah, back in high school you could actually ride that, but not anymore. Man, it is a little too windy. I might not be jumping this thing. It's not that big of a jump, honestly. It's just like a kind of a funny jump. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. And you'll see what I mean. Yeah! Alright. That was another spot where I learned how to jump. Just flying out. Just get comfortable with the bike in the air. Look at this, freaking Sea-Doo out here and a built jump. Like, I don't know who did this, but you're amazing and I want to know who you are. But this is in the way. I can move it around a little bit. No wonder it's... I didn't think it would have all this shit in it. Well, I can lose some weight. I just tow it with the Talaria, just... Get off the landing, you bitch. Oh, I'm gonna die. That was hard. This thing's not even packed, is it? It's a step down also. It's such a bad jump. I mean, that explains it, right? That's enough Twisted Tea to do something like this. That is just enough Twisted Tea to do that. Oh, actually, yeah. Oh yeah. This thing is stout though. You could launch a heavy bike off of this, no problem. It doesn't even need plywood. I don't even know why that's on there. It's too windy. I can't take the risk. I'll jump this thing, and with the direction of the wind right now, I'll just land right on top of that. Maybe I'll get Taryn and the boys to come back here later and we can hit it. Because with like one more person, we could move that thing. Alright, to be continued.
Easier to just do that, honestly.
Yeah?
That doesn't break.
That was nothing.
Yeah. Alright, let's go get Keith. That's it. Oh, yeah. Hey, you down to follow him down the sketchy drop? Okay, we're all hitting the sketchy drop.
This drop is so fun, but so scary. He's like, where did he go? Are we gonna collide into each other on this? That'd be, oh, I don't even want to think about it. Oh, yeah. Oh. What's up, brother? He couldn't resist. It's so windy. Woo. He might jump that thing over this right now. That'd be crazy. Hell yeah, guys. Yeah! That's insane. Oh yeah, dude, it's perfect for us. You can go pretty slow. Dude. What? Yeah. You okay, buddy? I should have told you.
I didn't know there was a big hole on the other side.
Yeah, with cinder block in it.
Oh, good, bro. I didn't know there's a big hole. Oh.
He took a pretty good hit, but
With a crater, I landed right in front of it and just throttled over the base of it. I literally was like, I either end it or I go over it.
Yeah, there's a big hole right there.
I did kind of make a big hole right there.
Holy shit, that's a big hole. Alright, I gotta go straight in bars now.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Woo! I can't believe that works. This bike is so wild. Is Taryn gonna go for it? Yeah. Oh yeah. This thing is wild.
You want to try it?
Fuck no. Thing is gonna get me killed. I gotta say, it's a real bummer to see those washers in the condition they were in. Nobody seems to ride them anymore. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. The next one will probably be some trail riding, because I have been living and working far from town, out in the desert against this mountain range, and it's been awesome. Bye.